Flash Programming Introduction. How to use PG-FP6. Basic Operation Edition. In this video, we will first introduce the PG-FP6, then explain the device connection and control software setup, and finally show you how to program to the microcontroller. PG-FP6 is a standalone flash programmer suitable for mass production programming. Setup is performed through dedicated control software FP6 terminal. Introducing the main features of PG-FP6. AC adapter power supply connector and USB connector are located on the top side of the main unit. It can be operated by USB power supply without using the AC adapter power. The target connector and remote connector are located on the bottom side of the main unit. The remote connector can be controlled by user's external system. The power switch is located on the right side of the unit. LCD panel on the front of the unit displays the operating status and menu. The operation status can be checked through the LED located below it. The three control buttons can be used to select menus and execute each command. Pressing the Start button will execute the command set in the project. This figure shows the entire connection. PG-FP6 includes the main unit, AC adapter power supply, and cables. Control software can be downloaded from the Renesas website. 20-pin target cable is an optional product. You can find PG-FP6 homepage by searching through the Renesas Electronics website. We recommend using the latest version of FP6 terminal. Accept the agreement and click the button to start the download. Open the compressed file and double-click on the executable to launch the installer. When the installer starts, follow the instructions. The product selection can be kept at the default settings and no special changes are required. This video explains flash programming using FPB board for RL78G23. Now that the software is installed and the board is ready, let's launch FP6 terminal. We will explain how to create a project and download it to the PG-FP6. Select New Project from the File menu. Enter the group name or type name of the microcontroller to be programmed, and the corresponding device name will be displayed. Multiple files can be selected in the Program Files tab by drag and drop. After successful download, pass will be displayed on the FP6 terminal and this can be verified on the LCD panel. Erasing and programming the built-in flash memory of RL78G23. Push the Start button or click on the Start icon on the FP6 terminal to execute Erase and Program. Progress and execution results can be checked in the LCD panel and console window. You can get all the information about PG-FP6 from this URL.